Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick whole house speed clean. I'm honestly going to try to make this like a 10-minute clean with me. I've just gotten home from work and I really don't want to spend all evening cleaning my house because there's tons of other things that I would rather be doing. But I'm going to give myself about 5 or 10 minutes in each room just tidying up. That way when I go to bed, I'm just going to feel good knowing that my house is straightened up, and when I get up in the morning, it's not going to stress me out seeing all of the messes everywhere. I don't have so much to do, but if you do like a daily cleaning routine, then this is definitely going to be something you want to watch because it's kind of everything that I do on a daily basis. As you guys know, I try to keep my really deep cleaning days for the weekend, but I've got some things to do and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I hope you enjoy this. If this kind of motivation is something that you're searching for and you're not already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you leave today. But I've got a lot to do and I want to hurry up and get it done. So let's just jump right on into it.
Last night we had something, tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention, it's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. You knocked on my window and slept on my pillow, then said you had found your place. Not sure if I want this. You don't think that I notice. This isn't like giving you space. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
So I hope you guys are getting some good motivation so far and cleaning along with me. I kind of wanted to say in the beginning of this that I wanted you guys to kind of clean up and race along with me just to see who could get done first. But right now I'm just going through the living room and picking up all of Bodhi's toys as usual. But we also have these towels laid out right here in front of the front door because we did actually end up getting a couple inches of snow, and then when he goes outside he never wants to sit and let me wipe his feet. So I've got a towel out on the front porch to catch anything there, and then of course as he walks in I like to get them as dry and clean as I possibly can. But we're just going through the house and just tidying up anything and everything that I can. Like I said, I wanted to spend about 5 or 10 minutes in each room just to try to get as much done as possible. I'm not going out of the way to do some major cleaning, but I definitely do like to tidy up every single day. That way my evenings are much nicer.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. It's so much harder now to please you. Your smile is fading with the rain. And we known each other for so long, and I know you struggle to stay strong. Sing along with me again.
So I wanted to ask you guys if you have like a daily cleaning ritual, if you have any tips or tricks on how to get things done quickly during the week. I would love for you to leave those down in the comments. I love to see when you guys talk back and forth in the comments and everybody can kind of get some good ideas from one another, because I'm definitely not a professional. I only do what works for me, and I always like to hear what other people do. That way it gives me an idea of something to kind of switch up and maybe change sometime, because you know, when you have like the same cleaning groove, it sometimes gets boring. Kind of like how when you start to clean your house, you always start in the same room and kind of do the same things. I always like to switch things up. So if you've got any tips or tricks, definitely leave them down in the comments. I would love to hear what you guys do.
Games, the one she played, knocks me right on my feet, and the blame that's on me for letting her go across the line. Ooh, I've been feeling this way for some time. Ooh, I just can't ease you off of my mind. Hey now, she got me tied down, 'cause she's a pro now. Hey now, she got me tied down, 'cause she's a pro now. Aim was set on me to keep me shot to the ground.
All right, you guys, everything is done and I feel so much better. It honestly only took me like 40 minutes. I think it's right about 5:30 now, which is perfect because now I can change my clothes, I can fix something to eat, and I can just start watching TV and relaxing for the rest of the evening. If you hear Bodie click-clacking through the kitchen, he's ready to lay down too. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, just a few minutes a day can really help out. That way you don't have to spend all of your time cleaning. And I honestly didn't do like a whole bunch of cleaning. I just did the basics, the surface of things, put some things away that I could, and I just feel so much better about myself, and that's all that matters. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you want to come back for more, I've got so many things coming up for you guys, so many exciting collabs and videos. I hope you stick around, but I'm gonna go for now. I love you and appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.